Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Foam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to dramatically increase your FPS in Minecraft Java Edition with no mods or plugins required whatsoever. So the reason I'm using my phone to record and not the screen recorder itself is because whenever you screen record, basically your frames drop like really fast and I wouldn't be able to show it properly. So yeah, so all you have to do alright, so is firstly press escape on your keyboard and then go ahead and click on options. Now once you click on options, go ahead and click on video settings. Now do not worry about any of all of these things, so they do not work. They usually just give you 2 or 3 FPS boost, which kind of sucks. Alright, so before I do that, let me just show you my FPS currently. So it is currently at 96. That's right, I just got a new laptop, which is awesome. But anyway, so this is currently at 96. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on options, head into video settings, and now what you're going to do, so as you guys can see, so use vsync is on and it's going to be for you as well. Just go ahead and turn it off, and then you're going to go ahead and click on done, and boom, look at that guys. So already you can see guys, 144 FPS, which is awesome. Like 139, it was at 100, I mean it was at like 95, 96, and you can see that dramatic increase in FPS, like 140, 143. So between 135 and 145 FPS, which is awesome. And this is basically like a simple setting that you can change and it works really well. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now goodbye.